Hey everyone, it's Tex with Top Tier Customs. Just finished up a brand new 2016 Yamaha R1 doing our Bluetooth kit. Did a quick walk around of all the lights on it. I'm going to show you how the app works. Here's the app for it. It's basically the same setup as the Demon Eye headlight setup. Got the whole color selectable going on here. You can get the whole bike to breathe, or you can get the whole bike to strobe, or just leave it solid. Has the dual zone feature, so you can actually make the front of the bike one color, and then make the back half another color. And of course, you can also get them to do their certain modes. Get them to do the dual pattern, and then also have the chameleon mode, which whenever you place it at a specific color, it'll actually turn the lights to match whatever the camera is aiming at on the phone. And then you've got the built-in things, as you can see here. We have Maxwell pattern. There's the owner of the bike has made his own theme already. And then you got Christmas Joy, Passion Heat, Valentine's, Tropical Island, Ocean Breeze, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, Memorial Day, St. Patrick's, and then U.S. Independence Day, 4th of July, however you want to call it. Then you can also come in here and create your own pattern, your own colors, modes, everything, the speed, brightness, all that. Go back, and then we've got music mode. So get the lights to flash with music. And it also changes the colors and patterns to whatever you have it set to. You have a speed mode, so the faster you go, the more the lights will brighten up and change colors and whatnot. And then the last feature is the Find My Vehicle. So if you forget where you parked at, you can pull up your last location of where your bike was parked at. Service is a little slow right now due to the storm, but I pretty much have a good idea of it. So, yeah, that's our new Bluetooth kit. 16 million colors, chameleon mode, speed mode, music sync, dual zone, all kinds of features on it. Oh, and actually one other thing before I forget, it has an all brake feature. So whenever you hit the brakes on the bike, everything turns red. Of course, left it on purple, so it kind of can't really tell the difference too much, but I'll get the idea. So, and as long as the brake is held, the lights are red on the bike. So, yep, that's it. Appreciate y'all watching the video. If you got any questions or want to get a kit, just give us a call or shoot me an email or message on Facebook. Appreciate it.